Good afternoon, friends. My colleague on the dais. In the morning, some senior speaker, they have made a reference to the Reserve Bank's culture and how they feel when they go for the meeting in the Reserve Bank. And the language is the main barrier, it was told at that time. I will prefer to speak in Marathi, so you cannot have that kind of feeling. RBI has a very good culture where I was really spent literally 40 years, and I retired from the RBI. Though I am here present in the name of the Sanmitra Bank, I have chosen the subject, the compliance of RBI inspections report. Because this Sanmitra Bank is this year celebrating its 93rd year. So old bank. Earlier it was, of course, Cooperative Credit Society. After 1966, it became unlicensed bank, and in 2010, it got the banking license. The point I want to make it, that there is an illusion in the minds of the most of the people that RBI is very crude in its decision and they are really happy to close up the bank. No, I deny and I tell on basis of my experience, RBI doesn't have a killing instinct. And this is the evidence that I am telling, that 93 years old bank is still, it is struggling, no doubt, struggling. But it was still surviving because of its compliance till the year. The compliance is very important. And RBI inspection, most of the banks who face the every year inspection, they are definitely in a problem, financial problem or any other problem. And therefore, it should be taken as a, we can say, annual checkup, as we do in our personal life, our health checkup. RBI does it. And it is not an exaggeration if I say, treat the RBI as a family doctor for financial sickness. And the bank, when suffers or have a pains financially, they should adhere to the RBI or rather welcome to the RBI inspection. They give the best suggestion, best judgment. With due respect to the other authorities and the audit agencies or a chartered accountant, they are doing their duties. But RBI is a separate institution, independent institution, and they really do care for the bank, as well as when they decide that the bank cannot be revived or improve further, they give another opportunity that you please want to go for merger, you explore the possibilities, and if you are successful, we will definitely welcome you to continue. Otherwise, go out of the purview of the Banking Act. That is Banking Regulation Act, BR Act. And you can run as a Patapedi or credit society. RBI report is a very formatted report and paragraph wise, sub-paragraph wise.
Mr. Sawant, I think that the topic is related to the what should be the future banking to make it safe and secure.
But I have chosen the compliance.
I'm still doubtful whether the it fits to the topic particularly. Yes, you can just share your this one.
Okay. Because inspection report compliance is very much essential and to handle. Every year you get the report and you submit the compliance. It's not the problem. But my 10 years experience in the inspection, I observe that the bank are simply for small reasons unnecessarily they detain their own progress. The point is that bank should always reply to the letters given by the Reserve Bank within time, and the compliance to the inspection report, it should be very specific. You should not unnecessarily elaborate it. There are many occasions that inspection report speaks for the persisting default. Last inspection it was brought to notice, even then the banks are doing the same kind of mistake. That should be avoided. Any violative action or violative observation made in your report, you have to first attend to it. So long as the violation continues, the bank will not consider any of your request. That is RBI policy. I want to share with you. You have to first check those violations, corrective steps should be taken, and thereafter you can go for the other progress.
Right. I think we are getting the cheat for the time is over.
Okay. I will stop here. Thank you very much.